Okay, day 9, drone flying. I wanted to see if I could get some pictures above the house and down the neighbor's house and in our backyard. So it's a little breezy again today, and I had to use number 3 powered for max power on the drone, and I need to learn to keep it smoother when I'm filming stuff so it doesn't look so jerky. But at least day 9, no crashes. That's good. I'm getting a lot better as long as I can keep it the pointing frontwards. I can control it pretty good, but as soon as I yaw it to turn it around like I just did a little bit, I got to be real careful, and then that's when I lose control. But anyways, there's a roof. It might fly it around the gutters to blow the leaves out. And I can, when I get leaves on the roof, I'll use the drone to blow them off. And so there's the back uh, to the sheds and the gazebo, over and out.